What's up, YouTube guys? This is Cameron, and we're back with another dropshipping challenge. You already know it. We're going to be doing a dropshipping speedrun challenge to build a general Shopify store, and we're going to be using AI. I'm going to be showing you guys my exact method and how I do it. And the winner of last video for the 2 Shopify themes was John Maroki. If you guys want to claim this, all you have to do is DM me. And if you guys want to have a chance to win for the next giveaway, all you guys have to do is hit that like button and comment something you enjoyed from this video. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to build a Shopify store and how to get a 6-figure business running super quickly. So all you have to do is watch till the end of this video and find out how to build. Alright guys, so this is on my computer right now. I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to build a Shopify store, and we're going to be speedrunning this. And if you guys don't have a paid theme, I'm going to be actually using this refresh theme on Shopify, and it's completely free. So all I'm going to do is hit add. Once it's done adding, I'm going to hit customize, and then that's when the challenge officially begins, once I hit customize. Alright, so the theme finally loaded, and the 3 websites we're going to be using is Shopify, of course, ChatGPT for the AI part, and then we're also going to be using Pexels. This is where you guys can get free images to use that aren't copyrighted. So let's finally hit customize and start. The first thing we're going to want to do once this loads is we're going to customize the header and this piece. So let's do that right now. For the header, we're going to create a logo, whatever that is. Let's do that right now. So let's actually use 4 websites. Alright, now that we're on Canva, this is a 3000 width by 1000 height. You want to go to text, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do. For this, I'm going to call it Spaxit, just like that. You could come up with any names for the logo or website, it doesn't matter. And then all you have to do is come up with this a cool color and a cool font so that everything looks good. I'll show you guys when I'm done. Alright, so this is the logo. It took me about 2 minutes to make. I just don't want to have you guys wait. So all you want to do is download it. Once it's downloaded, you go to this website. It's called remove.bg, and then you want to put it here so then the background is all transparent, just like how it's about to come out. Give it 1 second. You want to download that, go back to Shopify. As you guys can see where it says logo image there, you're going to take this, drag it, and set it right there. Instead of saying Love Bear as one of my other stores is right now, it's going to just be the logo. Exactly. Now it has a clean background. And now for the slideshow area, right over here, we're going to do that in a second. You want to go to the announcement bar. And then as you guys see, it says welcome to our store. You want to just say something like free shipping now, but in all caps. So free shipping now. Once that's done, it's going to look pretty professional already, just from the top bar. Everything's matching the colors and everything. We're going to go to the slideshow. You don't need 3. I recommend only having 1 or 2. Typically, I only do 1. And this is where you can use Pexels. You guys can find any image on this website. So give me around a minute or 2. I'm going to get the images, and I'll show you guys exactly what I got. Alright, so I got the images. It took me around 2 minutes to find it. I kind of wanted everything to match, so it took me a little longer though. So for the first image, alright, that one, first image can't go, so sometimes that happens, but second image also can't be loaded. What the heck is going on? Alright, 3 images. See, this is how you guys run into problems. So it's okay, we can easily fix that. Give me 1 second to figure out the issue, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. It took me a couple more minutes to figure out what was the problem. It was just because the resolution was too high, but I did find the images. So for the first slideshow, since this is a general store, I'm going to make everything match, and we are going to use 3 slides. So this is going to be the first image. This is going to be the second image. This one, of the house. And then the third image is going to be something similar. It's just a gaming setup. And as you guys can see, they're all blue and they all match. The only issue that I have with this is that the transparency is a little too high, so we're gonna lower that, and it's called image overlay opacity, I think how you say it, but we're gonna up it to 40% for them all. So we can do that by just heading over and upping it to 40% for them all. It's gonna look a little better in my opinion, just because everything won't be too bright for the user whenever they log in. Like maybe for this one it would be 20% since it's already a little darker, but yeah, you guys get what I'm saying. You just want to make it look pretty cool. Now, as you guys can see on all of them, it says slideshow, introduce a product or collection you like to highlight. That is where you guys could customize it to whatever you want. If you want it to be a collection or a specific product. So for right now, I'm going to just do a collection because this is a general store, not a product store. So you want to just have this, instead of it say slideshow, you want to say products. And then for the introduce a product over here, the subheading, you could just make it where products are better, or it's like a slogan area where you guys want to type it. Alright, I had some other stuff to do, but I did fix it. It took me like a minute or 2 just to figure it out. Instead of products, I'm going to have it say Spaxit, which is my company name or whatever my dropshipping name is. And then I put under it where quality is found. As you guys can see, it says shop now. Where it says button link, this is where we're going to hit. And you want to hit products. and then you're just gonna hit all products. Once that's done, the shop now button is gonna be able to work. And as you guys can see, 1, 2, 3, for all 3 of them, you're going to do the same exact thing. So what I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna copy specs it. Oh, what just happened? See, this can happen. All right, copy it, and then you want to go to the other slides and just paste it for all of them, and then that's what you're gonna do for all 3 of them. All right. All right, I've done that. It took me just around 30 seconds to finish that all. It's all done. This is what it should look like, or whatever you guys are doing should look a little different, obviously, because you guys are gonna have different pictures and a different name. Now, time for the products, which is right here. I actually like to start by deleting everything. So remove section, remove section, remove section. I do this. Actually, we're gonna keep the images with text because those are actually super good, but we definitely don't need this many of them. So we're gonna remove that. We're gonna remove another featured collection, remove rich text, remove multi-columns, and pretty much we get rid of almost everything in this part. And email sign up, we can keep that, although some depends on what I'm doing. I don't keep it or I will keep it, but for now, let's start with this first image to text. We're gonna go find another image on Pexels, and I'll be back right when I find that image. Alright, so we just found an image and stuff. It took me about a minute to come up with everything. So this is going to be the image we're going to be using for this. And then for the text, when it says here, image with text, we're going to put quality. I'm going to explain that. So quality. And then we're going to go use the AI Chatgpt to create everything else. So here it is. We're going to go, and all we're going to type is create a small text describing my company's quality, and then hit enter. Once you hit enter, it's going to be generate anything you guys want. As you guys can see, it's already created this, which is excellent for what we need, and it will work perfectly. So just give it 1 second to load up all that. This is a lot, but it's fine. We can still use it all. Copy this all, go back to your website, and you guys can just paste that. And as you guys can see, it's a little too much for this, so we could delete a little bit. Alright, so this is the hard part, just finding what you guys want to delete. So I think we should delete this part. We believe customer satisfaction, we have to maintain for excellence. I think that definitely does not need to be there. And then for the button, you want to do the same thing. Go for button link, hit products, and then hit all products. And then for the second one down here, the other image with text, what you're going to want to do, instead of it being on both of them being on the left side, you want one of them to be to the right, or you want them to be to the right side, because you don't want both of them to be like on the same side for desktop. So let's figure that out real quick. Alright, mobile alignment, that's for the mobile. But really, it doesn't really matter too much for desktop because a lot of the people are going to be on mobile. Alright, so we figured everything out. I figured out why it wasn't working, and I also got the image for it. So it took me around 2 minutes for that. So I'll be editing up all the time and showing you guys at the end. So this would be a perfect image, especially if you guys are selling something like a watch or something that was like had to do something with technology. That would be perfect for this. And then the image with text, you guys could do something like products or whatever you guys would like. But for this, I'm gonna do gifts or touched ones. Alright, so let's say you guys had a general store and it was about watches and other different types of technology. I would name this watches just for an example. And then for this part, let's go back to Chatgpt, the AI, and let's type 3 sentences about my company's quality watches. And then just watch generate. Alright, so 1, the watches, 2, the watches, and then 3, the watches, that. Alright, perfect. So you guys can just copy all that, go back to Shopify, and paste it all over there. Perfect. It'll work just like that. The text is invalid, must include P or UL. That we could ignore that. And actually, we don't even need 3 because 2 does take up a good amount of space itself. And then let's delete these. The 1 and 2 because we don't need that. Space it out correctly. Perfect. And now let's just go to the button and make it the product page. We're gonna do that by clicking all products and save it. Remember to save your stores. I've seen people make a whole store, spend an hour or 2 on it, not even, or 20 minutes, and just get frustrated by forgetting to save and they'll exit out. Alright, now it's this piece. Now this is where you guys can add more to the store. as you guys can see, if you hit add section, a whole bunch of stuff pops up right here. So now what I like to do is I would like to add a product, so you guys could go up and hit featured product, and then I would also add one more thing. I'm not sure if this theme has it, but it's where you guys can add testimonials from customers who have previously purchased, and I do not think you guys could do that with this one, but in the paid themes you definitely can, because I've done it before. So if you guys do want to enter, all you guys have to do is hit that subscribe button. But for now, let's pick a product. Alright, select products. Let's just do the love necklace because it's blue, matches everything. Looks great with this website. This product looks really good, really clean, everything matches up. And so far, this is what a good website is. And I'm gonna just show you guys some of the final touches, and then that's pretty much how you guys could build a nice website. Alright, I did forget to show you guys one section. It's called the email sign up. It says subscribe to our emails. That you guys can leave that one perfectly fine. But for this is what I like to put. Enter your email for free product giveaways. This will just get you guys more emails and easier way for you guys to collect more data by your customers and send them emails whenever you guys have sales going on or anything, so you guys get more money from your clients. But this is typically what a product page or a Shopify general store would look like. So let's clear this out and let me show you guys. Alright, so this is the Shopify store. It's fully done, and exactly this is how it would look when anyone logs in. As you guys can see on the top, it takes a second to load, but everything looks really good, really clean. It says subscribe to our emails here. I'm not sure why. We're going to have to fix that in our actual Shopify store. But these are the problems that you do find when you are going through this process. And as you guys can see, everything looks super clean and normal. And this is exactly how you want your Shopify store to be. Typically, I see other dropshippers spend too much time on this and their product just doesn't work, so they have to make a whole new website. But with a general store, it doesn't really matter too much. And I also see a lot of other new people beginning in the space try to add way too much things to their website, and it'll just make it look like a complete scam. Alright guys, that's exactly how you guys can build your own general Shopify store. I see too many people spending too much time and making a scammy looking website, but this is the video to follow. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe and hit that like button. And if you guys do want one of those 2 free Shopify themes, just comment something you liked about this video. And I do have a Discord if you guys do need any help. I help people for completely free. I also do offer a paid mentorship. That's for people who are interested and actually want to learn dropshipping step by step and everything that I do myself. But without that, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you.